Hey guys, GreenLeoMan here. On today's episode, I've almost hit 5,000 kilometers. Not quite, I'm at like 4,777 or something. But I figured I'd do an update video because there are a couple things that are going on with the car and a few things that I've fixed that weren't in the last video. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so here we are. Remember I had to fix the driver's side window. I got it fixed, but now the passenger side window's doing the same thing. So I'm going to have to fix that one too. But what I'm out here for is to show you the wipers. Click it up one, it does nothing. And then you've got low and you've got high. But as you can see, that I need to get a new wiper blade because the wiper blade that comes with this one doesn't work that great. Another thing too, if you want to defog your windows, shut these side vents off, because then the vents back here will actually blow up to the window. So we're just going to turn that on, turn on PTC, and we'll see how long it takes. Try it on 3. Three really doesn't make the air hot enough to defog it. And 2 does take a while. This is what I'm saying. See, it's slow, but you know, if you come out and turn it on, leave it plugged in while it's defrosting, I guess you can call it, and then when you're ready to go, you know, unplug the car from the charger and off you go. It's not great for your batteries, but it will give you the ability to actually see out your window when you want to. But I'm not going to sit here and wait for this whole thing to do it. We'll be out here forever. Another issue I had is the seat I'm sitting on had broken. Let me just turn this off. Right up under here where I have this piece of wood. Hold on, let me turn the light on here. There we go. There we go. I have it tied off because up under here the bar had actually snapped in half. But I took my tire iron and I stuck it through the pipe. It's all the way through that pipe, which actually has given me rigidity back on the seat now, and it works great. But I figured, you know, since we're almost at 5,000 kilometers now on this car, I might as well do an update. Batteries are still going really good. Everything else seems to be working fine. Every now and then though, when it gets really cold and I'll go to hit the start button, the start stop button, it'll click on then right back off, then on then right back off, like really quick. It won't just, you know, you press the button and it turns on. It'll turn on off. I think there might be something wrong with the solenoid or the relay or whatever the heck you call that thing. Also, the new Ovation winter tires that I put on the car work really well in the rain too. I've gotten more grip and everything, but it does feel a little loose. Like right around here, like this is center on the steering wheel, but right around here is actually center on the front wheels. So when you're driving down the road, your steering wheel's a little off alignment. So that might be something I want to look at in the spring. Also, it does feel a little loose here and there when you're driving it. Oh, also, this dome light here, it has a door switch that doesn't work and the light turns on that way. But even if I have it on door, you open the door, nothing. But I've ordered a couple switches from AliExpress. I'm going to install them in the doors so that when you open the door, it actually turns the dome light on, and when you close the door, it turns it off. Just so I can have like a normal car. But yeah, there we go guys. It's not a long video today, under 5 minutes, but you know, it's a good update on what this thing does. Where it sits right now at 5,000 kilometers. It still runs great. Alright guys, thanks for joining me for that video. And if you liked it and you want to see more great videos from my channel, feel free to watch this video right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next one.